Welcome back to part 2 of Logan Boulevard. I'm Beth and this is BB in the City. We've got 8 more stops on this incredible street. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Come on, let's go for a walk. Welcome back to stop number 1. We're at the corner of Washtenaw and Logan Boulevard, and you have to see this one, the Rath House. Look at it. The way it's built, those columns, everything is just so well done. The architect actually went to school with Frank Lloyd Wright. The same level of detail, you know? We don't even have to go to Oak Park. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. That's the whole point of this. Come on, let's keep going on our walk. Welcome to stop number 2. And we're right next door to the Rath House. Look at this. Look at the top. It's like it's a castle sitting right here. The arched windows, that entrance, everything about this is stunning. And that's what I love about this part of Logan. Every building just shows up. Come on, let's keep going on our walk. Welcome to spot number 3. We're still here in this stretch between Washtenaw and Fairfield. Look at all the detail. This is why I love coming over here to do my daily walks. I could spend hours on this street. Let's keep walking. Welcome to spot number 4, between California and Mozart. Okay, just look at this. Look at the whole row. These aren't just individual buildings. They are greystones. One after another. Limestone balconies, carved details. You never know what you're gonna find in them. Individually, they're beautiful, but together, wow, they're just magnificent. Come on, let's keep walking. Welcome to spot number 5 on the corner of Sacramento and Logan Boulevard. Okay, look at this. A tower, curved bay windows, stone urns, detail work everywhere. This is like being in a French chalet, and you're only in Logan Square. And honestly, it works. It's stunning. Come on, let's keep walking. Welcome to stop number 6. We're still here at the corner of Sacramento and Logan. Okay. As you're walking towards this building, you can see that there are stone lion heads built directly into the wall, which is unbelievable. And then when you come to this entrance, as you walk up to the building, you can see that there's a lot of marble, and it's just another unbelievable piece that makes the boulevard what it is. Come on, let's keep going for a walk. Welcome to spot number 7, between Sacramento and Whipple. This building has some history. It was in a movie. Here's your clue. It's the 90s. There's a guy in a coma, a woman who falls in love with him, and it's a whole romantic Chicago winter thing. Can you guess it? It's While You Were Sleeping with Sandra Bullock. This building was where her character lived in the 1995 film. So next time you watch it, you gotta spot this exact building on the boulevard. Pretty cool, right? Come on, let's keep walking. Welcome to spot number 8, between Whipple and Albany, the gateway back to the square. Look at this place. Beautiful details, flowers everywhere. Someone really loves this home. They also do a really cool Halloween display every year. This is how we close out the boulevard. Quiet, confident, beautiful. And that's the walk. 8 stories, 8 stops, and honestly, I could keep going. This street is insane. But that's Logan Boulevard for you. Every corner has a story. Every building just shows up like they're all making a statement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment. Let me know what building you like the best. And if you missed part 1, definitely go back and check it out. Next up, the Kedzie side. Trust me, it's incredible. Thank you for walking with me on BB in the City. See you next time.